we are going to make hot dogs, buns. So these are partially garlic sub or hot dog. The different hot dogs that you get 3-4 packs, but I only got this. Those old days hot dogs are not available. So these are huge hot dogs and I have sliced them. So you're going to slice them and I'm going to show you how to make it. So again, these are sliced rings of onion. So you're going to separate all the rings if you can. And then here, these are boiled potatoes and they are also in circular forms, and little bit of garlic for that extra flavor. So here ideally you will use refined oil, but since I don't have refined oil today, so I'm using ghee instead. You can use refined oil. I don't have it, so I'm going to use ghee. So here you will dash a ghee on the pan and then you're going to put the garlic and the onion slices on the pan. First we are going to roast the onion rings in the pan and the garlic for the extra garlic flavor because I like it. And then we will make it golden brown, the onions, and then afterwards we are going to roast the potatoes. So here, this is how we are roasting. Nice fragrance is coming. The seasoning we will do later. So this is tawa on which I am roasting it. So I will just show you once it's done. See, the onions are turning little golden pink, translucent, and I will add little pinch of butter to this so that the extra nice flavor of the butter comes to the onion. Not much of butter I'm adding to this because once we are going to do the potatoes, I will add more this butter. So I think our onions are almost done. Beautiful onions. Very, very nice fragrance is coming. See, it is a good thing to pack the lunch of hot dogs. So I think we are done. We don't want to burn the garlic now. I'll just take them out in a pan, in the plate. Here you can see the onions are done, partially golden and partially translucent. Good to go. Now in the pan you will take ghee or refined oil, whatever is there, and you will take butter, and then you will just place your potatoes and you will roast them like pastel chips. You know how the chips look like. So we are going to roast them. I'm just spreading this thing, and you will just put all the potato slices so that the chips are formed of the potatoes. So keep the gas on lower flame and roast them slowly so that the extra good flavor comes. The butter gives a good essence to it, and in the same butter we are going to roast the hot dogs also. So let's just wait and just tilt each potato slices and then roast them. This is something you have. It is time consuming, but trust me, the hot dog looks really, really yummy, and it is very yummy. Trust me. I mean, it was all-time favorite when I used to go to school. So of my friends, and we used to butter tiffin. My hot dogs and her tiffin bread rolls I used to have. So old memories. So here these are getting roasted. See how nicely the chip has formed. I'm just going to dash the oil outside. Just each and every piece you have to roast properly. See how golden it is becoming. That is what you want. You want it to take golden color on the edges, and that is how you know that the chips are done of potatoes, like this. Each and every chip you have to twist it with your chimta or tweezer, whatever it is, So just do the needful. So these are boiled potatoes. Mind you, don't take raw ones. So I'll just show you. These are the boiled potatoes. Some are done, some are still boiling. So they were not boiled properly, so I just kept them on simmer. So this is how. Let them finish and I'll show you. See, now they are done. We don't want to burn them. I will take them out in the plate. So here, you know that the butter and the ghee is already here. You can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the bun here. So here I'm keeping all the buns, this hot dog, and the butter that we had already used will soak the here. And I will also, okay, let's just do 2 pieces at a time, because the butter has, I will just get another piece of butter and roast it. So here, just keep the butter and just tilt it. You can also keep a butter here, dash of it, you can come in a go. So you will just roast it in the butter. The flavor is awesome of the butter. So we will roast it in the butter. The flavor would be awesome. So all the 4 pieces will roast in butter. I'll just show you. Here the bun is done, you can see. So I will take it out and just so beautifully it is done, toasted nicely. So what I'm going to show you one of it. See how beautifully it is done. Again the left piece, one was left. I'm just toasting it in the butter on the pan. So lovely flavor it gives, and the hot dog becomes really soft. Even if you're taking for the lunch in the tiffin, it just keeps its moisture intact. See how lovely it is. So now we have got all the buns and all the mixture, and let's just make our toast. Now we will do the seasoning. For seasoning, nothing much. So this is the outer shell and this is the inner shell. So in this one, the below bottom one, I'm going to just first season the potatoes and the onion. Wait. So here our onions and potatoes, what we are going to do, we will sprinkle only black pepper and white salt. That is Sandha Namak that I use. So here the black pepper and the white salt, only pinch of salt as per your taste buds, and then you will mix all. Not too much, not less. A good seasoning is the essence of the flavor. That's all, nothing more you will put. And then you will just place it. This is your hot dog backside, and to this hot dog firstly you will place all the onions. Okay, place all the onions well and the garlic that we have sauteed. Alright, and then we will place the potato chips that we have made, roasted well and seasoned. So the more quantity you put, the more flavor and fulfilling it is here. So this is what a beautiful hot dog is. Ideally the hot dog is thinner, but this hot dog sub is little broader, so the quantity of the ingredients in the filling is comparatively more. So accordingly just take the onions and the potatoes as per the number of buns you are going to make. So this is our hot dog, and it is delicious and it is ready to eat and really awesome. Since it is huge, I'm going to just slice it from the middle into 2 portions. Wait. Wow. So this is the delicious hot dog and really yummy, and it can give any hot dog run for the flavor it is going to have. All-time favorite of my friends. This is what I used to get in my tiffin time. So this is what the hot dog look like, and this is a simple hot dog, easy to make early morning for the tiffin. And I hope that you enjoyed it and you will try it also making it. And I can't wait to have hot dog, because obviously it tastes better when it's hot, and it is awesome in the lunchtime because it is, after all, my favorite hot dog. So please do not forget to toast your bread nicely in butter. Okay, I'll make the second one, and by the time this one would be finished. So I hope that you enjoyed watching the hot dogs. So please boil your potatoes properly and do roast your onions partially golden and for a good flavor, translucent and partially golden. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed. And this is the garlic bun. I'll just show you. This I bought for roughly 30 rupees for two, 15 each, that is. So you can also buy your buns and then you can make it. You can use refined oil ideally, but I have used ghee and yellow butter. Yellow butter is the essence. You can use of any company, but I'm using Amul. So this is awesome hot dogs. So I hope that you also try to make your picture perfect hot dogs at home. So this is the hot dogs that we made, and this one is still pending because the material I went short on, so I will make more of it later. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Do enjoy your hot dogs at the comfort of your home. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.